Good morning, family. Good morning, family. Hope you guys are fine. It is another day today. Today is a day where we're going to have to make money. Everyone is going to make money in a good way. So, guys, please, I just wanted to notify you. Those who are requesting to join the group, guys, the group is a VIP group, by the way. It's not a free group like these other open groups. This one is strictly for numbers, UK Fortnite, Ghost Lotto, and other draws. So, in this group, we also have books, the books of strategies, the books that are going to teach you how to break codes, books that are going to teach you how to create codes. There's so much happening in the group. So if you inbox, you will see there's a link at the bottom of the first comment, and they always the number is this one for WhatsApp. So let's stick to business. Let's move. So our bonuses for today is 12, 19, 26, 27, both draws. That's how we're going to do. 24, I also have to add 24 on the bonus sections. Please play these bonuses as they are. Okay, cool. And then the first code, guys, is 138. 138. Code 138 is going to give us a what? We say 13 plus 8 is 21 or 12. 21 or 12. And then if you check, if we say 13 minus 8 is a 5. Is it a 5? It's a 5. And then we say 131 plus 38 is a 39. 1 minus that is a 37. Watch out, that 37 is dangerous. And then if you check in the middle, the 13 dropped yesterday. So what you're going to do, you somerset to spin, you make 31.8, which can be 31.8 or 318. Watch that space. Yes, 39 is already down there. Okay, so remember, Gina, she also splits numbers. If she see that she does not have a choice, she will spin or split the numbers. Be careful on that. Okay, and then we go to code 1 to code 406. This code crashed UK yesterday, but today now you see how it's standing. It's differently, but it's the same code. We say 40 plus 6 is 46, which is a 49. So expect a 49. Expect the 49. Trust me on that. And then here on the 40, she's going to divide it by 2 and get a 20. Because that lady, she's very, very smart. She's going to divide that 40 by 2 to get a 20. Then when you separate to get a 36, which is about 39. I just spoke about the 39 now, which was there. Can you see that, guys? Perfect. And then after that, we are moving then to, let's see, if we say 4 minus 6, 4 plus 6, it gives us a 10. So the 10 will come from there, from that 4 plus 6. If we say 4 minus 6, it gives us a 2, which is already what? A 20. So we sorted with that. Perfect. Let us move then to the third code, which is 373. As you can see, 37 plus 3, it gives me a 40. 37 minus 3, it gives me 34. 43. Dangerous number. My favorite. You know, guys, when I come to this number, I smile. Okay, then there's 37, there's 3 there. On that same code. And there's also a 33 there if you check. Be careful with these codes. Don't just skip. Make sure you analyze it. Okay, are we together, class? Perfect. Let us go to the fourth code, which is 143, killer code. You see this code? Trust me, one of the numbers is going to repeat. Either 14 is going to repeat. So what I'm going to do there, I'm going to say 1 plus 43, it gives me a 44. 1 minus 43 gives me 42, a 42, which is also a 24. And then if you check in the middle there, there is a 14 or 41. If you check, there's also a 31 there. And then when you say 14 minus 3 is an 11. 14 plus that is a 17. I'm not leaving anything out. I'm just breaking all the codes the way they're supposed to be broken. Okay, perfect. And then we're doing the last code. Code 343. This is a straightforward code. 343. It can be 343 or 333. And then there, if you say 3 plus 43, it gives us a 46, which is a 49, as I've already mentioned, 49. Then if you subtract, it gives us what? A 41. And then, you know, this code is very tricky. If you say 34 plus 3, it gives us a 36, which is a 39. If we subtract, it gives us a 31 again. So these are the numbers in the cycle, guys. Play around, make sure you pick what you can. And then at the end of the video, make sure you start afresh from the codes. Follow exactly what I was saying. You won't go wrong. I'm 100% sure, guys, you're going to boom. You're going to boom. There's nothing like UK Fortnite. They won't do anything. Don't be scared. And I'm just waiting for that Chris Dew's coming on tea time. She still owes me. But for now, let's destroy Gina. Guys, as you know, today is a day whereby we've got so many draws. Make a million Powerball. We still have to fight those ones. So for now, this is what it is for UK Fortnite. Remember, this is both Betway and UK Fortnite original. We don't reverse. Thank you very much, guys.